In this video, I show you how to use Canva color palette generator. First, what are color palettes? A color palette is a selection of colors chosen to be used within a design. They are often a collection of colors that complements each other. Here is how to generate a color palette for your design using Canva color palettes. First, go to Google and search for Canva color palette. Click on the link description that says color palette generator. I have dropped a link to this site in the description. Once you're on this site, you would see two links to the left. The first is upload image and the second try demo image. Now, how this works is quite simple. If you're unfamiliar with the theories of colors, you will not be able to expertly combine colors for your designs. So Canva has made it easy for just about anyone to generate a color palette. How? All you need to do is to look for a design or an image which shares the color properties of a design you want to create, upload that image or design and to the color palette generator. The generator will then pick out a couple of colors from the design or the image you have uploaded. You can then use these colors in your own design. So let's upload our image. Click on upload new image. Give it a couple of seconds and it will output 4 specific colors. These colors joined together becomes your color palette. Each color is named and their color code provided. The next step is to update your Canva with the color palette. So open the design on Canva or workspace. Click on brand. This feature is only available to pro Canva users, but do not worry, I'll show you how to use the generated color palettes on a free Canva account. Once you click on brand, go to colors. You'll notice I already have a color palette set, so all I have to do is edit it. If you do not have one set, all you have to do is create one. It is quite easy. Once I click on edit, I would be able to work on each color that I have added to my palette. All I need is the color code or the colors I generated on the Canva color palette generator. I'll simply go to the first one, copy the color code, and then replace it with the color on my Canva. I'll do this for all the colors in my color palette on Canva. I can also add more colors if I so wish. The second method is to use a screen recorder, but if you do not have the Canva Pro account, all you need to do is to snip out the entire color palette that has been generated for you on Canva and save it as a JPEG. To do this, you would need any screen recording tool. Once you snip it out and you save it, all you have to do is upload the image to your Canva, and then you can always use it in any of your designs. If you want to learn how to do this, kindly watch the next video.